Most people are under-eating protein, and they don't even know it. The recommended daily allowance is 0.8 grams per kilogram of body weight. But that number is just to prevent deficiency, not to optimize muscle, recovery, or metabolism. If you train, diet, or want to maintain muscle as you age, research suggests closer to 1.6 grams per kilogram may be more effective. For a 70-kilogram person, that's around 110 grams per day, not 40. And most people don't even hit half of that. If you're always sore, tired, or not progressing, protein might be the missing piece.